A demographic report is a detailed description of a user-defined area of influence, which shows its demographic, commercial, services, potential expenditures, and real estate offer information. On our platform, we open the Home menu, where we will find the search options, customers, businesses, indicators, and services. For instance, we can select the Indicators option and then proceed with the following steps. We select the indicator of our interest. In this case, we open socioeconomic groups and select all available groups. Then we go back to Home, and now we select the Businesses options to search the area we are interested in. Then we choose a brand in the selected category, which will allow us to visualize on the map its different branches, sites, stores, and customer service offices, among others. Finally, we select the branch and area of influence whose information we want to obtain. We can use different methods for geographic area selections. In this case, we will choose isochron, which allows us to determine the area of influence, time estimations, and transportation mode, whether a vehicle or walking. Once we select the area of influence, we move the mouse pointer above the polygon and right-click on Demographic Report. This way, we obtain a report with the indicators for the selected area, such as socio-demographic composition, population pyramid, types and number of businesses and services, homes' potential spending on different consumer baskets, and real estate offer, in terms of types and number of projects as well as prices. Through these very simple steps on our MasterGeo platform and its socio-demographic report tool, we have obtained a complete socioeconomic and commercial study of an area of influence, which enables us to do a pre-evaluation of our future projects, whether they are commercial or real estate.